Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting straight into some really key insights from the AI Leader Brief. Strategic edge in an AI-augmented world.
Yeah.
Our goal here is simple. Pull out the essentials that help you as a leader, not just, understand AI's impact, but really get proactive about shaping your future with it.
Exactly. We're looking past the algorithms, the tech speak, really trying to see how top organizations are weaving AI into their very fabric.
Right.
It's not just another tool, it's fundamental. And what's really striking is how it forces us to rethink what leadership even means now.
Okay, let's dig into that rethinking part. The brief points immediately to some pretty big shifts, like autonomous workspaces. Think about that IT environments that self-heal, predict threats, optimize workflows,
Mhm.
all in real time.
Yeah, it's kind of mind-bending. It means IT isn't just reactive anymore.
Exactly, but it needs, executive foresight. It's organizational design, not just an IT project you hand off.
And we see that happening. Like Delta Airlines, their CEO, Ed Bastian, he's using enterprise AI across the board.
For things like,
Crew scheduling, aircraft maintenance, even forecasting customer disruptions. It's what the brief calls real-time data orchestration.
data orchestration. Okay.
Basically, making sure the right data gets everywhere it needs to, instantly. It connects the front line with the big picture view.
So AI readiness isn't just tech readiness, it's operational resilience, board level stuff.
Absolutely. It's becoming central to strategy.
Okay, so with that backdrop, the brief then tackles some myths that might be holding leaders back.
Yeah, this is important.
First one, the idea that IT owns AI implementation, that it's their job alone.
That's just, well, it's not how it works best. Success with AI is deeply cross-functional. You need ops, HR, finance, client experience,
Everyone involved.
everyone co-creating the vision, yeah. So it makes you ask, are you just waiting for IT to figure it out, or are you actually at the table?
Good question. And the second myth it busts, this one's interesting, is that the fastest ROI comes from just automating what we already do, making current stuff faster.
Right. And while efficiency gains are okay, the highest value, according to the brief, is in rethinking how we work.
Rethinking, not just optimizing.
Exactly. Reinventing processes for this new AI-augmented reality.
So, okay, bringing this down to earth,
Yep.
what can you, our listener, do right now? The brief actually gives some really practical conversational starting points.
It does. Like hosting a cross-department listening session. Not a tech demo, but a conversation.
Asking things like,
Simple stuff. What
Yeah.
questions do you have about AI? Where are you curious? What worries you? And crucially, what real problems around here could it actually help solve?
getting to the human element first. I like that.
Definitely. And then for future thinking, maybe in your next senior team meeting, pose this. Okay, if AI really reshapes our business model in the next 3 years, what do our people need to thrive then?
And keep that strategic.
Keep it strategic, keep it human-focused. Not about the tech specs yet.
These are great for the organization, but there's also this piece in the brief that really grabbed me, the prompt of the week. It feels very personal.
Yes, this is fascinating. It's explicitly designed to help you evolve your leadership identity.
Leadership identity. What do they mean by that exactly?
Think of it as your core purpose as a leader, your values, how you build culture, how you view talent, trust, all seen through the lens of AI.
Okay, I see.
And the prompt is basically a guided self-reflection using an AI. You'd say something like, hey, Chat, I want to reflect on how AI is shaping me as a leader.
Right.
Ask me 5 questions, one at a time, about how I define leadership purpose, culture, talent values, and trust in an AI-augmented future.
Wow, one at a time.
Yeah, makes you think deeply about each. And then, critically,
Hmm.
then summarize the leadership identity I'm projecting and suggest one shift to evolve next.
So it's not about coding or algorithms, it's about you, how you show up as a leader when AI is in the mix.
Yeah, exactly. It pushes you to see how your vision, your values, your behaviors are being tested or maybe need to shift. It's about being intentional with your own growth.
Intentional, yeah, not just letting it happen to you.
Precisely. And that connects directly to the strategic moves for this week's section.
Okay, what are those?
First, take this to your executive team. Ask them point blank, where are we treating AI like just another vendor solution when it really demands a deep leadership conversation?
Good framing.
The brief suggests maybe even just a 60-minute pause, just to talk, surface assumptions, maybe some anxieties, find the blind spots.
Put it out in the open.
Yeah. And then the second move is for you personally. Ask yourself, My job is to future-proof this organization. What have I actually done this past month to increase our collective readiness?
Beyond just buying tech.
Way beyond the tech stack. Have you discussed ethical use? Have you talked about skill readiness for your people?
Yeah.
The cultural shifts needed. Those are the real levers. Review your last 30 days, honestly.
That's powerful. It really brings it home.
It does. This whole brief makes it so clear, doesn't it? AI's impact. It's much less about the tech itself and much more about leadership.
It's about the questions we ask, the conversations we start.
And how we consciously shape our own leadership identity for what's coming.
So the final thought for everyone listening, as you reflect on all this, maybe just focus on one thing. What one shift, however small, will you make this week to start evolving your leadership identity in this AI-augmented world?
Because ultimately, it's not just about what you know about AI, it's about how you choose to grow with it.